In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the capabilities of the EBT Split functionality on the Inventory++ app. We're going to utilize a Clover Station Pro, and basically I'm going to open the Inventory++ app first and navigate to the settings. In settings, I'm going to go to EBT settings, and here I have thing turned on, right? And I already have 13 items assigned, but let me go ahead and show you. So I've selected my breads category, like so, and I selected my meats category, like so. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and hit save here. And I also have a checkbox for remove taxes, because if it's an EBT payment, then taxes should not be collected, right? So we got that saved. Let's go ahead and navigate away from this app now and begin our normal checkout experience on the Register app, right? Oh, actually, before I do that, let me show you our tax settings. So I am already on the breads category here, and every item has a tax assigned. So it's for Los Angeles, right? So you see it, there it is. Here's this one, Los Angeles. Here's that one, although the zip code is for San Diego. You know, details. But all of the items, as you can see, have taxes turned on. Okay. Now we're going to go to Register app, and we're going to go to breads, and this is your normal checkout experience, right? So you grab this item and you put it in, and voila, no taxes. And it's identified as an EBT item, right? You put another one in there, same thing. You put another one in there. And so, how about that? Okay, so all of the items, no taxes. And then you get to the checkout experience, right? And you go, oh my God, this customer is not an EBT customer. We do need to collect taxes on these particular items. What do? No problem. We click on Split EBT items, and we go add taxes back to EBT items. And the taxes are back, $6.09 worth of taxes. And then the customer goes, oh my God, you know what? I found my card. I am an EBT customer. And can you remove the taxes again? You go, yep, no problem. We hit on this button, we go remove taxes, and the taxes are gone. And now you can pay with EBT. So that's the new functionality. The app that you want to download if you would like to have these capabilities is called Inventory++, and it's available on Clover Market. Thank you.